I bought the SuperMoss sheet moss, the 175 cubic inches, and this is how many plants that it covered for me. I bought it specifically for my Amaryllis, and it works like a charm. You can easily tear it to fit whatever you need to. The back side is brown. The front is a bright green. The best way to use it is to wet this in a little bit of water, squeeze it out, and then place it. Or you could put it on dry as well. It's no big deal. It works either way. It looks totally natural. I would buy it again. And I'm really glad that I found it. I wasn't sure exactly how much I would need, and it was just the right amount. So if you have a few plants that you want to cover to make sure the moisture stays in, I would recommend this product.